Introducing Megi, the floating lamp. Megi is a warm, comforting light that elevates any room in your house. And yeah, it really does float, with magnets. Megi has them, other lamps don't.
Wait a minute, what if it falls?
We thought of that, which is why Megi has auto catch. If it gets bumped, if the power goes out. So even if your house is full of pets or other animals, you can enjoy your lamp in peace. Megi is dimmable with 3 brightness settings. You can control it with your voice.
Hi, Megi.
Hello.
Turn on.
Okay.
Or a simple touch. Megi also has a built-in USB port and a wireless phone charger, perfect for bedtime.
Bye-bye.
Okay, see you next time.
So whether you need an elegant night lamp for the bedroom or a practical work lamp for your office, Megi adds magic to any room. Pre-order Megi today, only on Kickstarter.
Welcome to your new best friend in the kitchen. Introducing the ChopBox, the first and only smart cutting board with everything you need to make any meal. Never worry about germs again with a sanitizing light built right in to disinfect any knife. Just 1 minute of UVC light exposure kills 99.99% of germs and bacteria. A handy second board for anything you need and to prevent cross-contamination. Knife getting dull? Easily sharpen your knife without interrupting your cooking with one of the 2 convenient knife sharpeners right on the side of the cutting board. The ChopBox comes with a built-in kitchen scale exactly where you need it. Weigh up to 3 kilograms or 6.6 pounds. Get the perfect portion every time without having to find another appliance. Never overcook your food again. The ChopBox's timer keeps you on track for perfectly cooked meals every time. The ChopBox is 100% organic bamboo and 35 millimeters thick. This thing is extremely strong and made to last. Only 1 hour of charging lasts up to 30 days of use. Waterproof and heat resistant. Don't store 5 different single-use tools. Save time, money, and hassle with the Smart Chop.
Disinfect surfaces.
You may be wondering how we came up with this idea and if it really works.
Hospitals rely on the same technology to stop viruses and bacteria. It uses UVC rays, which is a short wavelength form of sunlight.
That short wavelength actually impacts the DNA of the virus or the bacteria and prevents it from replicating.
Dr. Stephanie Jackson of Honor Health says that different types of UVC technology can be used to clean anything from household items to hospital rooms. So we took a hospital robot and turned it into a countertop robot.
RoboClean uses high-quality UVC lights from Philips. As the robot travels over your counters, it kills germs and viruses automatically and at the exact right speed, and it keeps cleaning until you stop it. Sure, household cleaning products work, but they have a few disadvantages. They use harmful chemicals, and those plastic bottles end up in landfills.
Really, the advantage of the UV light compared to normal cleaning is that, it's hard to get in all those nooks and crannies.
Here is the first prototype of this item. And here is the final version that will be shipped to you. It features built-in intelligent technology that senses when it's approaching the edge of your countertop and automatically turns around.
In handheld mode, it disinfects anything from mobile phones, light switches, high chairs, gym equipment, and yes, even those dozens of Amazon packages you get that who knows how many people have touched.
Here's a fun fact about your toothbrush. Did you know when you flush your toilet, poop particles are projected into the air and can land on your toothbrush? if you store your toothbrush on your counter, there's a good chance you are brushing your teeth with poop particles. Here's another fun fact. Toothbrush holders have been found to be one of the most germ-filled household items, with bacteria like staph and E. coli found in them. It's time to live clean, my friend. Think your toothbrush is safer in your travel case? Think again. Storing your toothbrush in an enclosed container is the perfect place for mold and yeast to grow. And I mean, do you really wash that thing? Do you, though? Do you really? That's what I thought. And who even knows what happens to your toothbrush when you're not around? Sick of scooping literal poop in your mouth? I don't blame you, road warrior. Ow! Shield your brush from the flush with LUMIO, the self-cleaning UV light toothbrush. Built for travelers and those who pursue the freshest of smiles. LUMIO disinfects your brush after each use, using an enclosed chamber where germs and bacteria are blasted away with ultraviolet light. Ditch your grimy case, Ziploc bags, and quit going toothbrush commando, you desperate, desperate man. Traveling super quick, easy, and clean with LUMIO. LUMIO uses DuPont brush heads, the same dentist-recommended quality as many leading brands. Tap to hide, stow and go, and keep your brush germ-free with this self-cleaning marvel. Built for travelers, built for the lazy, built for a cleaner future. LUMIO. Let there be light.
Introducing the future of cleaning. Puroll, the world's first cleaning tool that uses both ultrasonic washing and ionization disinfection. Puroll helps you better clean and sterilize your clothing and items without damaging them. The ultrasonic cleaning tool gets deep into fabrics and items hard to reach spots, and the use of reactive oxygen species, generated by electrolysis of water, eliminates stains on clothes, leading to incredible results that you would never be able to achieve with a washing machine or by hand washing. All you need is a container or a sink filled with water and a little bit of detergent. Puroll has 3 different modes for different cleaning solutions. Simply choose the one you want, and after being put in the water, Puroll will operate automatically. Puroll offers you deep cleansing, saved time, water, and energy, all in one device. With wireless design, it's easy to clean anything you need, from vegetables to jewelry. With a USB charging port, Puroll can be powered with a wall charger, power bank, or any other USB charging source. Puroll is designed to be compact and portable so you can take it with you anywhere. Puroll, for easy cleaning and wonderful life.